Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I got an unboxing for you guys tonight, just a quick unboxing, but before I do that I just want to say I have to apologise, is in yesterday's review I didn't do the weather forecast, and I've had quite a few people message me saying you've got to do the weather, it's your thing. So I thought, you know what, respect it, fair play. The weather in Cornwall today has been shocking. Wet and windy. I think tomorrow could be better. Anyway, like I said, tonight guys, I got a quick unboxing for us guys. And a package come through today. It's from Barbersbay. And this is his new labels when he sends something out now. Comes in this cool box. So have a quick look. Hope you guys have had a nice day today, whatever you guys been doing. As I said, I know I did one yesterday, but I thought I had a bit of beard mail. Let's do an unboxing. Quick look. Let's have a look what we got. First thing, cool sticker. You don't like a sticker? That's cool. Okay, what's got here? So it's cool. So get it out, have a look at it. He sent me out. Don't bully my beard, how cool is that? This is his Ninja comb, metal. It's nice actually. Holder at the end. That's quite cool actually. That's really smart. Got the little logo. Got your beer opener, your bottle opener. That's really cool. Different. I got a comb like that, so yeah, that's cool. Put that through the test. What else let's have a look what we got. I'll tell you what I'm going to pull out is, really fancy trying this one. This is Beard Balm and this is Coffee House. Like I said, this is just an unboxing tonight guys. We're doing full reviews over the end of the week and going into next week. I'll be doing reviews for these products, but whew. Oh yeah, lovely. Nice colour. Yeah, that's nice. Coffee House. Again. Labelling as well, smart. Really like that. Black tin as well. Beard balm. Cool. What else we got? Another balm by the look of it. I do like my balms. Oh, this one is just in time for Halloween. That's cool. I'm loving the black tins actually. I think that's well smart. Oh, that's nice. Pumpkin seed. Pumpkin. Oh, that's lovely. Show you there. That's nice. Really nice. This is his Halloween range. He sent me that one. That's again, the labelling's awesome. Really cool. Really cool that is. Lovely. Very awesome. What else we got? Oh, awesome. And I've also got the Barbersbay traditional beard oil. I hope the camera's focused in on it. Cool. Let's have a quick go, shall we? Let's have a look. Clear. this clear. Oh, that's definitely put a quick bit in. That's definitely barber shop cologne. Be testing that one out. Smells lovely. So that's cool. So we got the oil, got the Halloween balm. This one smells lovely. I'm definitely going to be doing a review on that. I've got the coffee house, which is looking awesome. I got an oil to pair this up with. I'm going to be interested to see the oil I pick to pair up with this one. We'll see if it comes off. We've got the cool comb, like that, and of course the barbersbay sticker. Find a place for that. Awesome. Yeah, really pleased with that. Shut it all back. Yeah, cool. Awesome. Cheers guys, thanks for stopping by. As I said, tonight was just a little quick unboxing. I got a couple more packages coming this week, and I'm going to have a couple of reviews coming to the end of the week. Just want to say thanks for everyone who subscribed, sending me the messages. Really do appreciate it. And think we've still got 3 or 4 people to go to hit the 35 subscribers, and then that giveaway will be activated. If we can get there, that'd be fantastic. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you all have a nice evening, and I'll see you all soon. Cheers.